Okay, back equipped with knee pads, and yeah, they said 18 pounds on the pump. So we'll go 18 on that. As I can find it. 16, 17, 18. Okay, these guys are all torqued up, ready to go. And next we'll be popping off valve springs. I bought a new tool from Comp. Haven't used one of these yet. Doorbell's going off, which would be Hirsch. But yeah, it's a 5462. You can take off 2 springs at one time. I think I will bring the pistons up to either TDC or I will apply some air in the cylinder just so we don't happen to drop a valve. That'd be bad. So anyway, I'll struggle through this tool and you can watch what happens there. But I do have somebody coming in, so I will cut you guys off for a minute and I'll be back and we'll show you how this handy dandy Comp Cams tool works. Looks actually pretty straightforward. Looks pretty cool. And you can do 2 valves at a time, so you can get 1 cylinder all ready to go, do it, and then get your next cylinder ready. So yeah, we'll be back and I'll show you some more of this.